Hey there, welcome to LiveChat University. In today's lesson, we'll discuss the integrations available in the app marketplace and their benefits. We'll also examine desktop and mobile apps for providing support on the go. Let's do this. Welcome to the LiveChat Marketplace, your one-stop shop for expanding what LiveChat can do. With over 100 integrations, you can personalize your app to suit your business needs and take customer engagement to the next level. Managing multiple messaging platforms can be overwhelming, but LiveChat makes it simple by integrating with various communication channels like Instagram for Business, Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp for Business, and Telegram. With all your customer messages centralized in the LiveChat app, you can respond to inquiries from any channel without switching tools. This saves time and helps you maintain a consistent tone and speed across platforms. Whether it's an Instagram DM or a WhatsApp message, you can ensure every interaction is smooth and professional, enhancing your brand's reputation and customer satisfaction. For businesses in the e-commerce space, LiveChat's integrations with platforms like Shopify and BigCommerce are game changers. If you want to drive more sales during chats, these plugins allow you to see what's in your customers' shopping cart while you're chatting with them. You can recommend additional products based on their cart contents, access their order history for a more informed conversation, and guide them through the checkout process in real time. This not only helps you increase your average order value, but also builds trust by showing your customers that you understand their needs. Now, if your goal is to expand your lead base and keep track of customer details, CRM integrations like Salesforce and HubSpot can help. By connecting your CRM with LiveChat, you can see a customer's profile and past interactions right within the chat window. The Salesforce integration also allows you to add new leads or contacts to your CRM directly from LiveChat, and so much more. With this kind of visibility, you can tailor your conversations to each customer, creating a more personalized experience that drives engagement and loyalty. For a deeper understanding of how your LiveChat efforts are contributing to your business goals, the Google Analytics integration is a must-have. This integration allows you to track and analyze your LiveChat data directly in Google Analytics, helping you make data-driven decisions. For example, you can use GA to track chat volume and identify your support team's busiest times of day. You can even configure it to track activity within a page, such as scroll depth or clicking on elements within a page. The Mailchimp integration is a fantastic combo when it comes to growing your email marketing list. If you want to turn your chat visitors into long-term customers, you can use this integration to automatically add visitors to your email list after a conversation. You can segment customers based on their chat behavior, such as the types of questions they ask or the products they're interested in, and send personalized follow-up emails. Now, this integration also allows visitors to sign up for your newsletter directly within the chat widget. By customizing the pre-chat survey in LiveChat, you can add an opt-in field that asks customers if they'd like to join your mailing list. If you're looking for something beyond the marketplace, then we also have you covered. LiveChat supports custom APIs and webhooks, giving you the flexibility to create your own integrations. Whether it's syncing data with an internal tool or automating processes, the possibilities are endless. And if you're not sure where to start, our professional services team is here to help you build and implement custom solutions tailored to your business needs. Let's move on to desktop and mobile apps. The LiveChat Desktop App turns your Mac or Windows computer into a powerful customer service hub. The app provides you with all the same tools as in the browser. One of the standout features is the app's ability to run quietly in the background. Notifications ensure you never miss an incoming message, while the app also respects your availability. When you're inactive or your status is set to away, it stops accepting new chats, ensuring no customer is left hanging. This streamlined workflow is perfect for busy teams that need a reliable and efficient system to handle their customer support. The desktop app also seamlessly switches between devices. You can start a conversation on your computer, and if you need to step away, pick it up on your phone without missing a beat. It's a great option for businesses looking for flexibility and efficiency in their communication tools. To download the desktop app, go to livechat.com, go to Product, and click on Get LiveChat App. So here we want to follow the installation instructions for our device, whether it's Mac or Windows. So I'm going to go Download for Mac. And then all we want to do later is log in with our credentials. Let's move on to the mobile app. The LiveChat mobile app is designed to give you all the power of the desktop app in your pocket, making it an essential tool for businesses that want to stay connected and responsive while on the move. Whether you're commuting, traveling, or just away from your desk, the mobile app ensures you can keep up with customer conversations and make sales from anywhere. It's easy to jump into ongoing chats and respond quickly using tools like canned responses, especially when you're on the go. For instance, if a customer asks about your shipping policy, you can easily select the right canned response, click send, and continue your grocery shopping. You can also monitor your visitors on your site in real time in the Engage tab. If you see a customer browsing your pricing or checkout page but lingering for too long, just proactively start a chat and help them finalize their purchase, just like on desktop. You can also deliver more personalized service with tools like the Archives tab, where you can quickly view past customer conversations. The mobile app also integrates with SnapCall, allowing you to take conversations to the next level with voice or video calls. Imagine a customer struggling to assemble a product they purchased. With SnapCall, you can show them exactly what to do in real time, improving customer satisfaction and saving them frustration. Of course, you also have customizable notification settings, so that you are always in control of your work-life balance while staying responsive to customers when it matters most. The LiveChat mobile app is available on both iOS and Android. To install the mobile app, you want to go to either your App Store or Google Play Store. You want to search for LiveChat and download the app. Now, once installed, log into your LiveChat account and customize your notification and availability settings. And that's all for today. Go check out all the apps and integrations we have in our marketplace. Play around with the mobile app and set up that profile picture. Click that bell icon so you don't miss an update. Take care and see you soon.